There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Panther weekly update call. My name is Dominic and I'm gonna take you through all the things concerning the Panther. There is like not much things about Panther. So we will go straight into it. Panther, it's actually the software that you set it up and you forget about it and you just let it run for the next six months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So last week we had like a lot of softwares had a lot of problems with drawdown and the crazy market, and actually Panther did amazing job. We can see here on my VPNs, this is my live account that you can see here right now. Right now we are actually 27 euros in floating profit. Since Kevin updated the Panther to Panther 2.0, the results are much better, the trades are much better. As you can see also, we're up 27 euros in floating profit, what it's actually amazing. So the main thing what people always have to see with Panther is that they just put the right EA, that they put it to the right chart. So you can see here AUD USD, it's trading on H1. Euro AUD is trading on H1. Actually, all of the pairs are trading on H1. The only pair that it's not trading on H1, it's USD JPY. It's trading on H4. So once a new version actually comes out, you always have to be sure that you have AUD USD and AUD USD, and you can see on the bottom here, it's H1, and also, oh sorry, I forgot to share full screen. So you can see here that we have it here, AUD USD. You can see H1 Panther 2.0. So you also have to have AUD USD on H1. So you get the right result. Okay, Euro AUD, you have to have it on H1. Also EuroCat on H1. And then the next thing what you have to do is you have to go and set up your risk tolerance, the way that you want to have it. I have it on this account on 1%. I'm risking 1% on every single trade on this account. So because this account is like a smaller one, like 400 euros, it's not going to be possible to like always risk only 1%, but the risk management comes in that 1%, half a percent, whatever you choose here. It's when you have your account $3,000 plus, okay? Because some stop losses, like on GBP, JPY, I think when we are trading, you can see here it's actually, if we go hover over, you can see it's here, it's 80 pips. So that means the stop loss is going to be 6 euros. So for a $500 account, that would be 10%. Okay, if we would have a $1,000 account, that would be 6%. So on a $2,000 account, the 1% would be 1%. So you always have to know that you need more money to get the percentage the right way, because also on GBP USD, GBP USD, I forgot to put it on here. So you can see here, now we're gonna drag it on, allow modification of signals also, and here we're gonna set 1 and we're gonna press OK. I totally forgot to set it up. Let me see, we have everything set up the right way. Okay, everything else it's here set up the right way. And also you can see USD Swiss franc stop loss, it's how much? If we hover over, it's $13. So you can see, again, it's not the right management, because it's not enough money on it to be the right risk management. Okay, so this is it all about Panther. Panther, it was created with all the market conditions in mind, that has like also protective insight if something crazy like how last week happened, so it takes us out so we don't risk too much money. Let's see if there is like any questions. There's actually no questions. I don't know what I should be talking about Panther, because Panther is like really straightforward. You open up 10 charts, set them up on the right time frame. Most of them are H1, all of them are H1, just USD JPY, as you can see, it's on H4. Drag Panther on the chart. I'm gonna press no because it's already running, and then you just set your risk percentage, and that's it. Like also in the chat, there was not a lot of questions, so let's see. Actually, it's like no questions inside here. You can ask all the questions in the Telegram channel, what you would like to talk about. But right now, for me, I don't know what would I like say more about Panther, because it's like so straightforward. If there is like no question, this call is gonna be really short, because there is like no strategies with Panther that we can change, because all the strategies are running in the back end. When the strategy is changed, Kevin's gonna tell us that he changed the strategy. The only thing though that Kevin is actually doing, he's testing more pairs, because we will be adding more pairs to Panther. So when we have more pairs trading, we can also expect more profit. And this is it. Like, Kevin wants to make Panther the best software in AP, and Matej are working really hard on it to make it the reality. And I think that Panther is going to be one of the most popular EAs in AP really soon, when people see how actually conservative it is, how safe it is, and that you can always, I always say, sleep nice at night, and that you know that Panther it's working for you. So guys, if there is no more questions, I will wish you all the best trading week. And if you have any questions, drop them into the Telegram chat, and talk to you next week. Bye. Have a great trading week.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading Forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.